Playground.
Farm animals. Hello and welcome. Today, we are going to talk about some of our farm animal friends. Are you ready to meet them? First up, we have cows. These gentle giants are usually black and white or brown and white. They love to eat grass and hay, and they give us milk that we use to make yummy things like cheese and ice cream. 1 cow. Next, we have pigs. These cute little piggies are pink and love to roll around in the mud. They eat things like corn and vegetables, and we get yummy bacon and ham from them. 2 pigs. Now, let's say hello to our fluffy friends, the sheep. These cute little animals have lots of woolly fur and they love to eat grass. We use their wool to make cozy sweaters and blankets. 1, 2, 3. 3 sheep. Chickens are also some of our farm animal friends. They come in all sorts of colors, and they love to peck at the ground looking for bugs to eat. They also lay eggs that we can use for cooking and baking. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chickens. Let's not forget about horses. These majestic animals are very big and strong, and they love to run around and play. We ride them and use them to pull carts and plows on the farm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 horses. Goats are also some of our animal friends on the farm. They love to eat just about anything, and they make the funniest sounds. We get milk and cheese from goats too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 goats. Next, we have the ducks. Quack, quack. Ducks are birds that love to swim in ponds and streams. They have waterproof feathers that keep them dry in the water. Ducks also lay eggs, which are great for baking and cooking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ducks. Now, let's say hello to our feathered friends, the goose. These silly birds honk and waddle around, and they love to swim in the pond. We use their feathers for things like pillows and jackets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 geese. Rabbits are cute little animals with soft fur, and they love to hop around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 rabbit. Finally, we have turkeys. Turkeys are big birds with colorful feathers, and we often eat them for Thanksgiving dinner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 turkeys. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed meeting our farm animal friends.